What's going on, guys? So just a quick little channel update. I'm not going to keep you guys too long here, but I did work on my Patreon over the weekend, over the holidays, and it is up. So I'll have the link down in the comments or the description below. That place, I'm going to do more of actually showing you what I'm growing here. It's free to join. You'll definitely get access to a lot of content for free, and if you want to, support, there's that option too, and you get some goodies that come along with that. And actually today, for my first video on there, I'm going to be taking this beautiful Lewistic hillbilly that just popped up in one of my tubs, and I'm going to clone it, and I'm going to take a gill sample and put it under the microscope and see if there are any spores, and if there are spores, I'm going to swab them all, and then I'm going to start giving some away on the Patreon. So go check it out, links below, and yeah, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Peace.